Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to the Bitcoin update today. So Bitcoin on the 15 minutes time frame is making a nice good sign to reverse a little bit to the upside. Bitcoin since yesterday has come down to 56,746, and yes, this was always expected from a distance. I told you that, you know what, Bitcoin has this mysterious distribution going on. So you can see that you had your Wyckoff distribution, and now you're going down for the SOW. So probably come down a little bit like this, but it doesn't look like Bitcoin is interested to drop all the way to the downside all of a sudden. We could actually see some few move up like this and then eventually go to the downside. So the dominance of Bitcoin is actually coming down. If you notice one thing, because there's something that I noticed is a very small minor detail, but it actually serves the purpose of what I'm about to say, is that when Bitcoin was trading at $67,000, Luna Classic was at 10,000. Okay, so if you look at the prices of Luna Classic, if you look at the price of even ICP, uh, ICP was at $13, Luna Classic was at 10,000, and now Bitcoin has made a change of nearly 13-14%, and both ICP and Luna Classic are still at the very same price. Nothing has really changed, which means that people are selling Bitcoin, but now buying altcoins, which means that the dominance of Bitcoin is actually dropping. So you can actually go and look at the date of maybe 22 of April. So if I go into Luna Classic right here, and let's actually look at 22 of April. Now, if you look at 22 of April, the highest price, actually the average price was 10,800 nearly, right? So look, the prices were here, and Luna Classic is right over here even right now. So Bitcoin has dropped big time, but Luna Classic just dropped a little bit like that, right? So mostly what happens is that when Bitcoin drops like this, altcoins go like this, right? So that means I was expecting that maybe, Bitcoin is about to drop to 52K, and maybe we're going to look at Luna Classic dropping down like this, but it didn't. It actually didn't. And we have a little bit of decision coming and start to move to the upside. Who knows, right? So Bitcoin looks like that, and yeah, are there chances of going down to 52? Probably. But now I want to end up with a pattern known as diamond bottom. So at the if you look at the 15 minutes time frame, we have bullish divergence right now, really clear bullish divergence at the moment, and you do have a diamond pattern known as diamond bottom. So if I do show you how that looks like, you want to take your trend line here, put one like that, and you have these three touches right over there, and also some few ones like this, and you also have another one almost like that. So this here is a reversal pattern to go to the upside. So eventually you're going to see Bitcoin moving up to probably 59,000 if not 60,000, but this is like scalping opportunity. So can you take the scalp? This is going to be 2 point almost 3% scalping, and a risk of nearly 1.12%. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.